Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Oasis Physio, and this is a quick workout that you can do to target pretty much your whole body. So the most common issues we get in the practice would be back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, and knee pain. So all of these exercises are going to help to strengthen the muscles around those areas and to help to alleviate symptoms if you do have them. So follow along, and it should be just 4 exercises. So the first one we're going to do is for your neck. So with a TheraBand, you're going to place it behind your head and just positioning it up against the wall, and you're going to do some chin tucks just like this. So all the exercises, you just need to do about 20 reps. And this, you should feel a bit of a activation in the muscles in your neck. It's a very safe exercise. So it's going to strengthen all the posture muscles in the neck. And these are the muscles that get stretched when you're looking down at your phone or down at a laptop all day. So I've lost count, but I'm going to go for another 10. And when you do these exercises, make sure they're uncomfortable, not painful. So if you do feel some sort of discomfort, you don't need to go as far with that exercise. So that's the first one for the neck. So when you're doing these exercises, it's good to alternate. So we're going to do one for the neck. Now this one is for your back. So if your back's a bit stiff, what you're going to do is stand with your feet together, hands by your side, and just touching your knee, feeling a stretch there, and then feeling a stretch there. So same thing when you do this exercise. It's going to start off a bit stiff and sore, especially when you wake up first thing in the morning. This works really well to just loosen up your back a little bit. So this will loosen up the quadratus lumborum, which is a big muscle on the side here that connects to every segment of your lower back. And if this gets stiff, it can give you a little bit of back pain. So again, just doing about 20 of these. And once you get to about 15 reps, it should start to kind of loosen up a bit. You'll find that you'll go a bit further without feeling as much pain or discomfort. Okay, perfect. All right. Next one would be for your shoulders and your back. So again, this is when people on their phone, they arch forward. So this is going to help with that. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand opposite leg, opposite arm. You're just going to row, and you're going to twist your body as well. So your thoracic spine, which is the middle part of your back, does mostly rotation and extension through your trunk. So if it gets a bit stiff from just sitting in one position all day, you can get a really sore back. So this will help to strengthen the posterior part or the back of your shoulder. And this will help to alleviate any kind of pinching you might be getting at the front. And the other side, a bit of a twist. Perfect. All right. And the last exercise we're going to do is basic squats. So all you're going to do is sit down and stand up. Nice and easy. So I'm lucky to have a bed that I can raise and lower. If you don't have access to this, you can just put a few pillows on your bed or on your couch or on your chair, just so you don't need to go to full depth. But this will help to strengthen your knees and also strengthen your back as well. So nice and easy, sitting and standing. Your technique is perfect every time, and it will help to strengthen all these structures, and it will also help to work on your balance a little bit as well. Beautiful. And that's pretty much it. So just 4 exercises, nice and simple. It should take less than 5 minutes. And if you do this every day for a couple weeks, give it at least 3 weeks, you'll find that all these niggling pains in your neck, your back, your knees, and your shoulders should start to disappear.